We had to clean the cage, right? Hey buddy. Hey buddies, what's up? Tweet. Kiwi. Hey, what's up? Come to my singer. Yoo-hoo. Hey, let's clean that up. Look at that. What a mess. Oh, Jesus. That was you? Huh? You're a messy bird. Yes, you. Yeah, go fly away. Let me do this. Let me see how's everything around this. Oh, what a mess. Let me grab that stuff. So here we go. The plastic help. Doriana. Well, resuming, this thing from Dollar Tree is amazing. That's a window insulation kit, and well, I was looking to the mess that is inside the cage. There's little birds doing that kind of mess. Imagine, if I wouldn't done it, that will ended up right here on the floor, all the way around. See, we're reducing about like 75% of all the mess just got inside here. So this plastic covered most of the cage, even over here, all the way around. So the only thing that didn't cover is the top part, because that's why the birds most of the times are hanging through. So it flew away. So once again, this thing is amazing. So it comes with a little bit of, this package comes with the tape itself, so you can tape that up here in the edge, and the tape is really good. It's like a double-sided tape, one for the frame of the cage, the other one to stick the plastic to it. So this thing is really solid, doesn't detach easy. So put it all the way around. Right? I think I only used 2 of those like plastic cover. So you can go to Dollar Tree and buy this kit for windows insulation, and that was it. So if you have parakeets and they're doing messy stuff like this, so we're gonna clean it up right now with this hand vacuum, right? Look at that mess. All right. As you see, with that it was way more easy to clean than before. So They only take like 2 minutes. Change the water. Everything is plastic all the way around. Alright, that's how it looks like. Transparent plastic. Voila. It's really convenient all the way around. You can use the scissors and cut it up the way you wish. And seal it all the way around. Right? If you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Have a good day.